Hi guys, my name is Miss Holly and I am here to read you a little book. This book is called If Jesus Lived Inside My Heart. So we're going to talk about what happens whenever we let Jesus into our heart and how he can change our heart and also how he can work through us and shine out of us so other people can see him. Okay, here we go. If Jesus lived inside my heart, would other people know? Perhaps he'd use all parts of me to love and shine and grow. And glow. Alright, so we have a couple kids here. Looks like maybe Grandma. Looks like maybe they're helping Grandma. So maybe part of letting Jesus into our hearts and him working through us could maybe be helping people? Let's keep reading and find out. If Jesus used my eyes, I think he might just recommend that when I see a child alone, I'd try to be her friend. I'd offer her some bubble gum or ask if she might like to shoot some hoops of basketball or try out my new trike. So maybe another way that Jesus could shine through us. They say if you see a friend that's all alone, you could go play with them. Or maybe you're sharing a new toy with somebody. Those are really good ideas. Would Jesus use my mouth to say, I'm sorry when I'm wrong? Or offer kind encouragement for friends to get along? Let's look at this picture really close. So something's happening here between all of these kids. Do you see a kiddo that might need to say sorry? I think I see one. Alright, let's keep going. I think he'd use my arms to give big, warm, and snuggly hugs and hold my baby sister when she's scared of creepy bugs. Okay, so another way Jesus can work through us is by comforting people. So this little sister is scared and this big brother is holding her and he's trying to make her feel better. So Jesus can shine through us in those moments too. My hands could make nice cards to send to Grandma far away. I'd also rub Mom's shoulders when she's had a busy day. Making cards, sending nice words to people, treating Mom nice. Really good ways that Jesus can shine through us. I'd always try to do what's best so someone else might see that Jesus lives inside my heart and works through little me. So that is one really cool part about accepting Jesus into our hearts is that he can use us and work through us with the things that we do and the ways that we help people and even the nice words that we say, and he can shine through us so other people can see him through us. So cool. And if there were one cookie left, I know just what to do. I'd split it with my brother, 'cause he'd want a cookie too. Wow, that's a nice thing to do. Sometimes that's a hard thing to do, right? 'Cause that looks like a really delicious cookie, but this little boy's got Jesus inside his heart, and so he's like, my little brother, he wants some. I'm gonna be nice, I'm gonna give him some. I know I sometimes make mistakes. I'm messy and I spill. Then what does Jesus think of me? Does Jesus love me still? Oh, so she's messy. I can be messy. She makes mistakes. I can make mistakes. Are you guys messy sometimes? Do you guys sometimes make mistakes? Well, in those moments, guess what? Does Jesus love me still? Let's find out. I think he'd say, I love you, child, more than you'll ever know. Since you have given me your heart, I'll never let you go. So yes, even when we mess up, even when we have a bad day, Jesus loves us. He will never let us go because We've already accepted him into our hearts. I'll work through you and shine through you just like the brightest light. I'll guide each precious step you take and help you do what's right. And though I live inside of you, I'm here for all to see. When others see your acts of love, so when others see or hear you doing nice things, they're also seeing me. They're also seeing Jesus when you do those nice things. All right, here's a little Bible verse for us. And I pray that Christ will be more and more at home in your hearts, living within you as you trust in him. Ephesians 3:17. All right. So maybe you could tell someone that's close to you, maybe a friend or maybe a grown-up, one way that you help somebody, maybe one way or one nice thing that you say to someone that you think maybe Jesus worked through you to let others see him. All right, I hope you enjoyed our story. I know I enjoyed reading it to you. Bye, guys.